The Nespresso Vertuo and Vertuo Plus lineups represent a key segment of at-home coffee systems, delivering consistent single-serve espresso and coffee with minimal effort. For many consumers, these machines balance convenience, speed, and beverage versatility, all while leveraging capsule technology to ensure profile consistency and easy cleanup.
List number 1. Festive Vertuo Pop Plus Coffee. The Festive Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe by Breville is a premium variant of the Vertuo ecosystem designed to deliver the full Vertuo experience with 5 cup sizes, including 5, 8, and 12 ounces, as well as single and double espresso, and a compact footprint. It features a 30-second heat-up, a removable 37-ounce water tank placed on the side for space efficiency, and automatic used pod ejection, making it well-suited for small kitchens or shared spaces. The model emphasizes the breadth of Nespresso's Vertuo capsule lineup and the convenience of one-touch operation with automatic recycling options for aluminum capsules. It ships with a tasting pack, highlighting the brand's emphasis on flavor variety and catalog depth. Prospective buyers should note that capsules are exclusively compatible with Vertuo machines, and the price is not listed publicly in this dataset, which can affect perceived value and purchase confidence. Pros: versatile 5-cup size formats, compact side water tank design, fast heat-up and automated pod ejection, broad Vertuo capsule ecosystem, recyclable capsule program and tasting pack. Cons: price not listed in dataset, may require compatibility confirmation before purchase. The unique Vertuo system limits cross-compatibility with non-Nespresso capsules.
List number 2. Vertuo Coffee. The Breville Vertuo Chrome model is the more utilitarian end of the Vertuo line, focusing on 4 cup sizes and a straightforward single-serve workflow. It includes a large 40-ounce water tank and a 13-count used pods container with a 25-second heat-up and energy-saving auto shutoff. It's designed to be a reliable, no-frills Vertuo system suitable for households that want variety without extra dairy accessories. It ships with a starter capsule set with a 4.5-star customer rating and a solid sales footprint. Pros: broad format support, 5-ounce, 8-ounce, single, double espresso. Large water reservoir, quick heat up, included starter capsules. Cons: heavier unit at about 10.8 pounds. Standard chrome finish may show fingerprints. No integrated milk frothing accessory in the base package. Performance-wise, the Vertuo Chrome's strength is its consistent extraction across the 4 available cup sizes, enabling reliable crema and flavor profiles. The machine's iced coffee capability and the option to pour over ice expands beverage versatility. With a 13-count used pod container, waste management is manageable for daily use, though recycling programs for Vertuo pods remain capsule-specific. The ergonomics are straightforward, making it accessible for guests and families, while the large footprint ensures stable placement but reduces counter space flexibility. Overall, a dependable choice for homes prioritizing simplicity and variety without extra milk frothing hardware.
List number 3. Criastista Pro Espresso Machine by Breville. The Criastista Pro represents a premium, feature-rich Breville Nespresso offering that blends true espresso capability with advanced milk texturing and latte art potential. It includes a microfoam milk wand for hand-textured microfoam, an LCD/TFT display to guide setup and maintenance, and the ability to tailor beverage volumes and temperatures across multiple settings. It ships with a stainless steel milk jug and a tasting box of capsules, aiming at enthusiasts who want cafe-quality drinks at home. Pros: advanced milk frothing with latte art potential, TFT display for guided operation, programmable coffee volumes and temperatures, removable components for maintenance, robust stainless construction. Cons: higher price point and larger footprint, more complex to operate for casual users. Some features may require a learning curve to optimize. Performance-wise, the Criastista Pro excels in milk-forward beverages with 11 milk texture temps and 8 texture/froth levels, enabling precise latte and cappuccino builds. The steam wand offers hands-on microfoam control, which, when paired with the auto off after 9 minutes and water hardness programming, supports long-term daily use. However, the machine's complexity makes it less approachable for someone seeking a simple one-touch espresso. For homes that want cafe-grade latte artistry and experimentation, this model is a standout, while casual users may prefer simpler push-button machines.
List number 4. Vertuo Plus Coffee. The Vertuo Plus with Milk Frother from DeLonghi is a versatile combination machine that includes the Arancino 3 milk frother, enabling hot or cold froth for a range of beverages. It supports 4 cup sizes, 5 ounces, 8 ounces, single and double espresso, and is designed for quick heat up with a 25-second cycle. The Arancino 3 frother widens capability for milk-based drinks without requiring a separate appliance. It features an ink black exterior and a sizable 40-ounce water tank. Pros: integrated Arancino 3 frother for milk-based drinks, 4 cup sizes, fast heat up, recyclable pod program, compact and visually appealing. Cons: Arancino 3 frother may be less capable than dedicated high-end milk systems. The machine weight is around 15.77 pounds. Some users may find cleanup for the frother and internal components time-consuming. Performance-wise, this Vertuo Plus offers the classic Vertuo extraction with crisp crema and consistent volume across cup sizes. The built-in frother allows you to make lattes and cappuccinos without a separate device, which is a strong value proposition for condo or office settings. However, the frother's performance varies with temperature and texture preferences, and it may require a bit of practice to achieve barista-level microfoam. In daily use, the combination of 40-ounce reservoir and auto-off helps maintain efficiency, while the spill-free design supports compact kitchens.
List number 5. Nespresso Vertuo Plus Coffee. This is the budget Vertuo Plus option from DeLonghi, designed to deliver the Vertuo experience at a lower price point. It uses the same 4-cup size framework, 5-ounce, 8-ounce, single, double, and a 40-ounce water tank, but with a simpler setup and no extra frothing accessory beyond the basic machine. It's a strong value for budget-conscious buyers who still want the Vertuo experience and a 25-second heat-up cycle. Pros: budget-friendly entry into Vertuo system, 4 cup sizes, reasonable 40-ounce water tank, compatible with Vertuo capsules, straightforward operation. Cons: no built-in milk frother in the base package, lower overall feature density. The data lists the item weight as 1 pound, which is inconsistent with typical Vertuo Plus units and may reflect a data discrepancy that should be verified with the current retailer listing. Performance-wise, the Vertuo Plus delivers reliable espresso and coffee extraction typical of Vertuo machines, with crema and flavor consistency across formats. For milk beverages, you'll need a separate frother, Arancino or third-party, to achieve similar versatility to the model with built-in frother. Given the lower price point, expect tightly integrated capsules and a straightforward user experience that suits small households or frequent travelers who want simplicity without extra embellishments.